How to delete emergency contacts on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how I can delete emergency contacts on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you'd like to go ahead and basically add emergency contacts on your iPhone, all you have to do is go ahead and then basically first of all make sure to launch the health application here. Tap your Apple ID profile from the top right hand side of the screen and then just go to the option called medical ID. When you go to medical ID, here you'll find emergency contacts, so you want to make sure to tap the edit option from the top right to view those emergency contacts here. Scroll down and here you can just remove it like this and tap the delete option to delete emergency contacts on iPhone. This way you can go ahead and then basically delete emergency contacts on iPhone. Hope this video is very helpful to you guys. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in our next video.